Alright, I haven't made a video for a little bit because I kind of ran out of locks to make videos on. But I just came across this Abus 5550. I actually found it at work. It's an all brass Abus. It was on a piece of equipment that was old and, you know, just sitting there, not used anymore. Honestly, I can't believe that they even left that equipment up where it is. I would have expected it all to be taken down and thrown away. But you actually never even see them locked anymore. Usually they're just held together, held shut with a piece of wire if you do come across that equipment or something. But yeah, this lock's actually pretty difficult to pick. It's given me some of the most trouble out of any of my locks. It gives a really, probably only opened it a couple times, but it gives a really deep falset that makes you feel like it's open, or it should be opening, but it doesn't. So yeah, get to picking. Alright, so here's the Abus. Here we go. Time to pick the Abus. Got my transmission picks. On top of the keyway. I'm gonna try this wiper insert pick I made. Let's start. Alright, we got some falset. So hard to. This guy is difficult. Very difficult. Fucking bitch. I think it's the front pin. I think it's a high set. And I get stuck in the false set on them. Something between the first and the second pins here. Killing me. It's almost as if I gotta hit two pins at once to get through the false set on them. For some reason I can't feel I don't feel the feedback once I'm in the false set. False set again. Oh, I might, I'm not sure what I did, but I'm no longer in a false set, and it feels like I still got. Nah, it's overset. Being in this false set, I just can't. And it's not like it's not hung up, I don't think, because I have opened it. Oh, I got it. Woo, that was close. I almost lost it. Damn. Yeah, that was pretty close. Oh my god. Everything popped out as I got it, but yeah, I managed to get a little feedback on that on one of the pins, just enough to pop it open after the false set. And it wasn't the pin I thought it was either. That's why it was farther back into it, but I wasn't expecting to actually open it, and my tensioner was starting to slip. So I was just kind of bitch picking around trying to feel something. But yeah, there we go. Abus 5550. Unfortunately, this one says it was made in China. I can't read it. A little impression right there. All brass. Nice lock I found and saved from sitting on a fucking telephone pole on a fucking old unused fucking power supply. But yep, saved them. Pretty cool.